Okay, folks, we got another classic fucking Stooges episode coming up. It's called Monkey's Businessman or some shit. Some shit like that, man. I got my fucking monkey, man. He wants to fucking watch it, man. Now let's get the fucking video going and stop all the gibber-gabber. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, man. Woo! Woo, here we go. It's coming, folks. It's fucking history, man. You gotta watch it. You gotta watch it. It's mandatory, man. Oh, monkey loves it. Oh, look at that. The picture. Monkey loves it, man. Okay, Monkey's gonna watch it with me. Learn some fucking history, folks. It's really good.
Hello, Jordan. Enlistsman Dan speaking.
Oh, he's really tough, man.
Listen, you
Oh, yeah.
what kind of electricity you send?
I need fucking some booze, man.
The last 2 hours, and I'm still out. Listen, Jordan. The last part, Jordan, is supposed to be over.
Oh, fuck you up. What the fuck, man? Holy shit.
Ray, why don't you be careful when you climb up a ladder?
I only climbed up 7 steps.
A ladder at 6. Listen, you nitwits, the lights are still out my
I'm
eyes.
fucking
I
nitwit.
want juice and I want it
Watch
right
it.
away.
Watch it. Oh.
Pick up that stuff and get to work or I'll strangle you.
I got a fucking banana, man. Holy shit. Woo!
Keep smiling, McGann.
Keep smiling, you motherfucker.
You better get busy before he
Oh,
finds out
God, my
where breaker
fucking
opens
hair
the
looks-
triple foundry. Hey, Porcupine, trace that wire. Great head, give me a hand.
Which one?
Never mind.
That's fucking... Oh, fucking monkey, man.
Get out
He's
of
gotta
there
see
with
the
your
shit.
That's intricate stuff.
He
Stay aside.
fucking loves it, man. He loves it.
That's pretty freaking.
Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh, look at that shit. Oh, that fucking hurts, man. Woo! Get my fucking head going, man.
Using the first place.
What the fuck? I feel him, man. Holy shit. Oh, my God, man.
You always knew he was a groundhog.
Oh,
Hey, look out, you'll get a
I
shot.
got a fucking hand up there, man.
No shock.
Holy shit, fucking crap, man. Woo! Jesus Christ, man. Got my fucking radio program in the back. Oh, look at that fucking guy, man.
Hey, fellas, this wire stuff, give me a hand.
Jesus Christ.
I need more muscle. How's that?
Not bad. Go ahead. The line is busy.
Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, fuck yeah, man. Woo!
The
Woo!
right wire.
Monkey businessman. Watch it. Watch it, man. No back talk. Oh, fucking right, man. God damn. I gotta pick my fucking nose, man. I gotta fucking piss, man.
Oh, it's you, Mr. Jordan.
Oh, yeah. Fuck you. That's what I say. Fuck you, didn't I? Oh, God, shit,
Looks like we
man.
resigned.
Where the fuck is Rusty? Rusty likes rice,
Go
man.
somewhere for a nice long rest. Yeah, we need a rest. Yeah.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
just the place. Rest your cares away. Mallet's
Oh, I need a fucking butt plug, man.
low prices. No matter what you got, you're losing at Mallet's. Sounds good.
Yeah. But what are we going to use for lunch?
Oh, shit.
I never thought of that.
Hey, I got something put away for a rainy day.
Leave it at it. Oh, wise guy.
Woo! I know you love this. What the fuck?
We
What
accept
the
your
fuck's
apology.
going on here,
And what's
man?
more, you can go with us.
Fucking Pee-wee's fucking watching the Stooges show, man. Pee-wee right there. Can you see him? Oh, that's fun. Ooh, that's where I need to go. Penny's fucking old, man.
Now, don't worry, Mr. Chris.
Holy
We'll have
shit.
you fixed up and out of here in no time.
Woo!
Nurse, be careful. The patient has a very bad foot. Be careful, please.
I need a double lobotomy, man.
He'll get out of here when we get the rest of his dome.
Say, Doc, is there anything really wrong with his foot?
Oh, fuck.
Mine, if our patients
What
like to
the
stay
fuck's
sick,
going
they
on
pay
here?
us for the privilege. It's their
Where's the
business.
fucking Stooges, man?
Doc, you're a chiseler after my own heart.
Oh, what a fucking crook, man. I need a fucking Tootsie Pop, man.
Bring your patients,
If
right?
I can get the fucker open.
Fine, send them in this shape.
All right, here we go.
You boys
We'll
wait
get it open. It's only 5 years old.
Take 'em for every nickel they've got.
There we go. There we go. It's coming off. The paper's coming off. Oh my God, this is disgusting, man.
Won't you come in? Of course, you know our treatments are expensive.
Yes, I'm on expenses.
Oh, fuck.
Splendid, splendid. And now the first thing to discuss is your diet. We'll begin by cutting out starches, sugars, proteins, and carbohydrates.
What do we eat?
He fucking took it, man.
I'm crazy.
As I was saying, I'm going to prescribe your daily schedule. You'll arise at 5 a.m. Washback riding until 6. Chopping wood until 7.
Jesus
Go to work
Christ.
until 8, and then breakfast. A
Goddamn
nice
son of a bitch.
big bowl of milk.
I want to fucking drink
After
this shit.
breakfast, more road work, more wood chopping, a good stiff workout in the gym, and then lunch.
Woo!
Nice big
That sounds
bowl of
really
milk.
inviting.
In the afternoon, more road
Woo!
work, more wood chopping, more gym. You punch the bag for an hour, and then dinner.
I know. A nice big bowl of
God
milk.
damn, where's my fucking finger,
You
man?
drank it all for lunch.
I'm still hungry.
You got a takeaway.
There you go,
Now,
fucker.
let me
That's what I
see.
think about that motherfucker right there, man. What a chiseler.
Oh,
Fucking chiseler, man.
beautiful.
Monkey hissing, too. Fucking son of a bitch.
Nice, it's beautiful, nice.
Oh, God.
Now, I'm running a fever myself.
I ain't freezing.
Would you
Oh,
nurses mind?
fuck right, man.
Nice.
Woo! Jesus Christ. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
90 proof.
I'm drinking 8 proof. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, goddamn son of a bitch. What the fuck? Where the fuck is Fussy Mustache, man? Jesus Christ. Oh,
And here are your nurses.
all right. Ooh. Ooh, they're ugly motherfuckers, aren't they? Holy shit.
You two nurses will have charge. Start tomorrow morning.
Oh, I gotta
Right
fucking
in the
piss, man.
Here, Doc. Bright and early.
Gentlemen, who came in? This way, please. Please, gentlemen, this way.
Fucking Pee-wee, man. Fucking Pee-wee loves this fucking shit, man. Pee-wee loves it, man. Look at that shit.
Hey, you guys.
Yeah.
You snore so loud, my ears are ringing.
Ooh,
Yeah, mine are
Pee-wee.
ringing too.
All right.
Too, like an alarm clock. It is the alarm clock. We better get up.
Fucking Pee-wee loves it, man. Ooh. Hey, Pee-wee, you're getting awful close to me, man. What the fuck's up here, man? Get the fuck out of my goddamn cheek, man. What the
5
fuck's
o'clock.
going on, man?
Time to get up and get shut at sunrise.
You're getting a little too cozy for me, man.
Face the window.
Get the fuck away from me, man, right there.
That's fresh air.
What do you think you're doing?
You're breathing.
Oh, cut it out. It ain't on the schedule. Get this stuff out. Let's get going.
Ah, you're not allowed to breathe, man.
Pay
Oh,
attention over
Pee-wee,
here.
I love you.
You gotta
What the fuck?
Pull up.
Get away from me.
Up and down. Up and down.
Holy shit.
Up and down.
Oh, fucking pisser's too bright, man. Oh, shit. Fucking Pee-wee, move away from me. Just fucking move away, man. You fucking give me the fucking willies, man.
Too much weight.
the schedule.
Woo! Oh, fucking Pee-wee, man.
Hey, muscle brains. Up and
Alright,
down.
get the fuck off my shoulder, man. You're fucking driving me nuts. I love it when you're driving me nuts. Whoa! Another fucking stroke, man.
What's the matter with you?
5 more and I'm fucking dead.
We know, but
Alright,
I
alright.
get it, Doc. We'll run up
Alright,
ragged.
there we go.
Every cent they got.
You hear that? That was little bit of crack.
Okay,
Keep
Jim.
stuck. Come on.
Okay. You can have my fucking duck too, man. Woo! It's between my fucking legs.
Oh,
God damn, man. I ain't gonna fucking make it.
George, stay away.
Hey, Doc. The patient slugged us. Yeah, got away.
Oh my god. Fuck
Watch
you,
this
man.
hallway and don't let anyone out. Come
I
on,
can't
search
get a
the ground.
fucking good position on my fucking chair, man. My balls are ready to explode. Holy shit.
Get out of here. The hell, that monkey's caught in the door.
Holy fuck, I can't even make it, folks. I gotta hang on for 8 more, 7 more minutes. Jesus Christ. Holy fucking shit. Okay, watch the movie. Why? Squirming torment. Oh my god. Oh fuck yeah. Oh, I gotta get close. I gotta fucking do something here. Woo!
Who are you?
No fucking shoutouts.
Oh, yeah, terribly sick. Yeah, I think we'll have to operate.
What are your doctors?
Sure. Yeah, we're doctors. Dr. Windbag, I presume.
Gosh, we gotta go right in the operating room.
Dr. Windbag, I love that.
Well, a couple of new doctors.
Doctor, will you examine me?
Boy, you look terrible.
I'll give $1,000 to anyone who cures me.
Oh shit, man.
Hey, wait a minute. You gotta operate on him first.
Don't get there. We'll be right back. All right. Yes.
Oh fuck yeah.
Had to find time you picked
Oh
for an
fuck.
operation.
Oh, it's a fucking history, man.
Bucks, I'd have cut that guy up like a Christmas turkey.
Hey, can I watch when they cut you up?
Yeah. Hey, I'll need a record.
That one right here.
Oh, it's fucking funny,
They
man.
cut him wide open, I see.
Can I watch?
We need to have a deep scene affair.
Everyone coming right up.
Slice him up, man.
He's got everything. We gotta get rid of him. Yeah, but suppose we can't.
Fucking Rusty and Krusty Lice would love this fucker, man.
Yeah.
I'd like to slice them up on the fucking table.
We can put him to sleep with this.
You put giblets in them. And cranberry sauce. Look at this.
Oh, my favorite scent. Flirty polecat.
Oh, this is fucking history, folks. Just watch it.
Sound like a light. What you give me? Either. Yeah. Either the box or the hammer.
George.
Oh, god damn, man.
We gotta get him out of the way, quick.
What the fuck? I'm
Miss
fucking,
Shakespeare.
I'm gonna fucking have to piss pretty soon, man.
In the laboratory.
Fucking Penny is fucking ready to explode.
Come on.
Oh, she's fucking hot, man.
Wait, Doctor, what can
I like to boink her all night long.
Sorry, Doctor, I wasn't expecting you. Well, that makes us
I don't know how.
we weren't expecting you either. Go ahead, find those men. If you catch them, put them in the steam room. Give them the works.
Alright.
Some patients escaped, but most, unfortunately, were unbound.
Oh, I have to go take a piss, folks. I'm so sorry, man. I gotta fucking take a piss. I'll be right back. Just watch the fucking Stooges, man.
Proceed to your operation, Doctor. Don't let me interrupt. Oh, well, thank you.
Be right back,
Are you
man.
going to use that? Now, of course, you're going to cut straight. By the way, what does the patient have?
You see, Doctor, he has a very bad case of pepperpalmicine.
Oh, indeed. Well, then, of course, you're going to need this bone saw. Do tell.
Well, in that case, Doctor, would you cut across here or cut across there?
Oh, Doctor, now you're joking. Of course, you don't cut here or here. Naturally, you saw straight through the skull.
Well, anesthetic. Good fool, that guy.
Alright.
Punching his skull so fast he won't know the difference. What about me? He won't know the difference either.
Okay, I'm back. I had to fucking hear it. Oh, yeah.
Let me take over, Doctor. I'll have him opened up for you in just a minute.
Oh, it feels a lot better, man. Out of fucking wardrobe. Holy fucking shit. Woo! Now the picture looks halfway decent.
Hiya.
I'm getting fucking sick of all you fucking people, man.
What more you don't know what? More like it's the whole thing.
Got my fucking banana, man.
Yeah, you wonder what?
It's a fucking cicada. Or something. Oh, fuck it.
Oh, my foot. Oh, oh.
Oh, fucking yeah, man.
It doesn't hurt anymore. Doctor.
It's a miracle.
You sure getting the slip. They don't know where we are yet. You know that. I'm a citizen. You can't.
Oh, fuck.
Shut me to death.
I can't fucking sit still, man.
I got a broken claw. I'll tell you that. What? Take it easy. That'll hold
Holy
for a
shit,
while.
man.
Come on, we'll find the other one.
What the fuck is that? Holy shit, man.
What are you doing here?
Holy fuck, my nose
What are you
gets...
all stand up about?
What the fuck's going on, man?
Oh, you push the first valve down, and the music goes.
Oh, 2 more minutes ago, man. Oh! Oh, fuck yeah, man. Fucking steam fry him to death, man. Baste him good.
Why didn't you make up your mind?
Holy shit. All right. Jesus Christ, man. Oh, he got his ass kicked.
I can take
You
it,
son
Nick.
of a bitch, man.
I know. Oh, Larry.
Oh, fuck, man. Oh, I think the well done.
Oh, doctor, you cured me. I'm going home. Want every cent of it.
$1,000. Nearly $1 million. Yeah. Beautiful girls, great lights, wonderful food, travel, luxury, Monte Carlo.
Wait a minute. You know what we're going to do?
What?
Go somewhere for a nice long rest.
Yeah. This rest almost killed me. You need a rest like a hole in the head. Oh, that's a good idea.
Oh, that was a fucking good one, man. Ooh, another fucking Stooges classic because I know you fucking love it. It's fucking history, man, and you gotta just watch it because I demand it. Woo! Okay, we're gonna be cut this video off right now, so we'll see you on the next video. If I'm fucking sober, man, so until next time, me and fucking Monkey says, have a good night. Oh yeah, see you later, man. See you later. Monkey, I love you. Bye, Mom.